Hi there, my name is Nev Goodyear and welcome to the second of these videos on building your own HTML website. You'll notice that I have multiple windows open here. Things will become quite confusing. Personally, I like to have them all separated on the I don't know how that opened, on the taskbar like this, and to do that I use the properties, go to taskbar, I check this always to use the small icons, and I check here never combine. I find it easier to remember where everything is. The software I'm using to record this is Adobe Captivate, and so that's sitting there on your screen. My screen resolution is a little bigger than what you would normally use, and that keeps the size of the actual video small. I'm now looking at my folder structure. That's actually my Captivate files. We have gone into the structure. We're in PT1 Web and W1 Basic. We're now going to follow our instructions here step by step. We have mapped our drive. We now are asked to create a new text document and paste in this text. So new text document, and I'm going to call it index .txt. Because it's a text document, it will automatically, I'm not showing my file extensions here, but Windows will put the file extension in .txt. Let's open it up, paste our code and save it. Control S. If we're not sure about the shortcuts, they're written in here. Control S. Now, as well as saving it as a text document, I'm going to save it as an HTML document. So index.html. Let's look at that. I'm going to click enter rather than get to my mouse. Let's close this now. I'm not going to need it anymore, and I have to refresh the page. I'm working on an internet file. I've got an index file here which I can open in a web page. Oh, look at that. That's the code that we just made, and so I'm going to put that over this side. I'm now going to try and edit this file. Now, to edit it, you may have, if you click edit there, it'll open in a Word document. This is on the government laptops, the Kevin Rudd DER laptops. If I come down here to open with, I have Notepad in here because I've gone and found it. I'll just show you how to do that. We have to choose the default program. It automatically takes you to, now for yours it won't be shown until you've done this once. Let's browse. We come to program files, but Notepad is not in there. Notepad is in the Windows folder. Scroll down until you see Notepad, double click on it, and you will have all these programs. Now be careful, we don't always want to open in Notepad. We normally want to open HTML files in a browser, but this time we do want to open in Notepad, so OK. We now see exactly what we started with. Now, how about I try and add some more lines of code here, and let's have a look, see what I don't really need to do that return. Backspace, Control S. I'm going to save that here. I'm going to Alt Tab to get back to my web page, and refresh, which is F5, or click here. Oh, notice the add more code did not end up on a separate line. Oh, that's disappointing. Let's close this, and now we're going to open our index file with Dreamweaver. Okay, I'm just going to leave it there and talk now from another file.